Almost everything around you today takes a little extra from you. You notice it, but you no longer question it. Life in India is not becoming expensive overnight. It is becoming expensive quietly. You do not feel it in a day. ये आपको एकदम से महसूस नहीं होता. You feel it slowly every month. Let's start with phone recharge. आजकल स्मार्टफोन रिचार्ज ऑप्शनल नहीं रहा, बेसिक नेसेसिटी बन चुका है. For most users, usable plans cost around 300 to 350 rupees and they last about 28 days. Lower plans exist, but they have very low validity. And because these plans run on a 28-day cycle, you have to recharge 13 times a year. One extra recharge quietly from your pocket. Now banking. कैश अभी भी इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. In fact, half of the daily transactions still happen in cash. Small shops, local services, daily needs. So people still need to withdraw cash from ATMs. Banks allow only a limited number of free withdrawals. After that, each withdrawal costs around 23 rupees plus GST. अपना ही पैसा निकालने के लिए हम पैसा देते हैं. Food delivery works the same way. On Zomato and Swiggy, almost every order has a platform fee, usually 12 to 15 rupees, even when the delivery is free. If you order food regularly, by the end of the month, you will end up paying 150 to 200 rupees just on platform fees, quietly. Online shopping platforms follow the same pattern. You see one price, but at the checkout, the amount goes up slightly because of platform fees, handling fees and protection fees. Usually 7 to 20 rupees per order depending on the platform. Even groceries and daily essentials now move through quick commerce apps. If you do not meet their conditions, you will have to bear the charges they apply. And here's the uncomfortable truth. This is no longer about our choice. You cannot live without internet today. आपको बैंकिंग भी चाहिए and you cannot opt out of these platforms so easily. Platforms know it, companies understand it, so you keep paying not for luxury but because basic life now runs through systems that charge you for access. और यही छोटे अमाउंट्स एक साल में कुछ thousands of rupees में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है और आपको पता भी नहीं चलता. This is not in lakhs, but enough to matter for a common man. That is the quiet cost of living a normal life now.